Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI knowledge-based software, which is Document360. So to get started, Document360 is one of the best AI-powered knowledge-based platform in 2025, designed for business that wants clean, professional documentation. It comes with advanced features like AI-assisted writing, smart search, multilingual support, integrations with tools like Zendesk, and interactive guides such as decision trees. User praise its easy-to-use interface, strong customer support, and fast features update, which make it a reliable choice for teams that need a scalable solution. So talking about the downside, Document360 is more expensive compared to some alternative, and beginner may find certain advanced features a bit complex to set up. Some users also mention limitation with customization and media handling. Overall, if you were looking for a powerful AI-driven platform to manage and grow your knowledge, the Document360 is a top choice, but smaller teams on a budget might prefer a more affordable option compared to Document360. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Leave it a turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.